Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Usibongile gets reprimanded, right? By lo msebenzi oyenzayo. Obviously, uMavis is disturbed by Usibongile doing this job, considering ukuthi Usibongile ukhuliswe esontweni, there are expectations on what she should wear, how she should handle herself, and. Ayi uMavis wayisho nje indaba, wayibhabaza nje, wayisho nje straight. Wathi wayitshela noMedem ukuthi uSibongile ufaka ama-crop top, ufaka ama-2 cm, sebenze etshwaleni impress abantu abanewayini. Hhayi wahlala phansi naye uphetheni-ke wamtshela ukuthi ungisize lo msebenzi uwuyeke nje, because lo msebenzi lo thina isithunzi sethu nje asihlangani nawo. So whatever that you're trying to do nje cisha very fast. Will uSibongile cisha. Then kube ubani ube ulo guy omusha ongafuni ukwenzo, because now akamfuni kakhulu uyazi ukuthi ukwenzo is his little brother. Atshela ukwenzo ukuthi if uthi uthanda ubaba umdala the way umthanda ngakhona, ngicela ukuthi uyekele ukuza esibhedlele. Please leave my father alone, like leave him out of this whole thing. Ungasesi, right? Then sathi sibheke lokho uwenze uVelephi is cooking. Velephi is cooking, making sure ukuthi lo uzokhipha iphiri azitshele uParliament or uGovernment. Basaqeda utshela uGovernment or uParliament izindaba, lo uGovernment uzoziletha kuye. Makaziletha kuye uGovernment, yena she is going to use everything against uSamke. But ugirl lo umntana kaSamke akaboni konke lokho. Ugirl is in love, like ugirl uku-cloud 9 into eringayo la engqondweni yakhe nje kuphela. So I'm scared for her, but at the same time sobona ukuthi iphele laphi. Hayi ubaba umdala atshele uSibalikhulu ukuthi bamela ke ngiyabonga ukuthi ungikherile, thank you for everything, you are the best brother ever, into engiqela yona nje ukuthi mina kumele ngiyenzele umntwana umsebenzi imbeleko. Athi awumenzela kanjani because bengikhona momenzela imbeleko? Athi hayi omunye. Hey Sibalikhulu wathi omunye ubani?